Homeowner DIYers, you still trying to figure out water treatment to prevent toxic water, wondering if you can do it yourself or need to hire someone? I know how you feel because I used to struggle with it until I discovered 3 fundamental things that provide the safest water flowing through your home. Get this right, and your water might improve so well that it rivals hospital water grade quality standards that are up to 50 times better than the U.S. EPA's Safe Drinking Water Act standards. Here's the 3 things you need to know and why they're so powerful when combined. Number 1, chemistry, a key factor to know when determining source water quality. Measuring the exact amount of chemicals contained in water determines the first aspect of quality. Number 2, microbiologics, another major component. You must factor in the number of germs in your water to prevent from getting sick. This measurement determines the risk level of exposure to many harmful germs. And finally, number 3, mechanics, a superior and easy way to monitor your water system's performance. Remove all the guesswork in timing system maintenance that saves you both time and money. Combine these 3 things, leveraging the power of chemistry, microbiologics, and mechanics, ensures your water's quality becomes an unstoppable force to fight off any angry zombie water condition you fear most at home 24/7. It doesn't matter where you live or what water source type you have at home. Water treatment can no longer be considered a luxury. It's now essential. But I make it easy using my tested and proven unique method exclusively for homeowner DIYers. I'll share what you need to know to leverage the power of medical-grade quality water treatment for high performance in safety, health, and wellness. See what it takes for you to build a powerful home water treatment improvement project. Click on the link somewhere on or around this video to get the information.